What's up everyone? Welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how you can log in online in TSB UK Bank. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for TSB Bank. This is for keyword, as you can see here. Click on the website here. First one, you will see this page. From here, click on a login option on the top right corner. When you click on login, just wait to loading login page. From here, friends, you have one option, as you can see here. Write your ID, user valid ID, and then choose your continue. After that, you should be entering correct ID. If you forget your password, click forget password here and start write your all details such your ID and then your day, your birthday, and then you can continue. So friends, you can download the app. So just wait, write your ID as you can see here. So and then click continue. If you want to get app, you can download this app on Google Play, scan this QR codes, and then you can start log in with your ID, as I said. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.